Hey everybody, it's Neil and my feet are disgusting. So I got this here electric foot callus remover and we're gonna go ahead and see what this thing looks like. Give it a try here. Maybe I'll show you guys my disgusting feet. I mean, I got a pedicure a couple of weeks ago, so I had my toes painted. But okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have in here, let me see, I'll show you. So this is the device here. So it's got it's basically a little drill. And then we have different ends for it. We have this end here, which is going to be the like a little end that we can put these little mini ones on here. So that'll dig into a certain location here. So like you can put that on and that'll just grind just small. And then we have the bigger one here, this one here, which will grind the bigger stuff. And it looks like we have the sandpaper grits. So it looks like we have 80, 100, and 120. So 80 will be the most coarse if we are in sandpaper terms, which hopefully we are. Let me poke it open here. Okay, oh yeah, that's pretty coarse. Okay, so we have sandpaper, and then it goes on there. How's it gonna stick on there? Does it have sticky stuff? Probably. Yes, so this peels off, and then this will stick onto our pad there. Okay, so there we go. So now we have 80 grit sandpaper on there, and we have the power button over here. It looks like it's gonna charge from USB-C, and it comes with a USB to USB-C connector, so that is handy for us. And then we have that, is that it? Okay, so it says 00. And then that's, and that's how we go up there. So it's 99, so we can change our speed. And then what is that? R and F. Not sure what that is. F? Oh, it's just reverse and forward. So you can spin this way or spin the other way, so whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll show you guys my feet. So this is my foot and this is my heel. Oh my God, these are disgusting right now. Sorry, they're pedicures, but you get the idea. And oh, look at that. Oh my God, that's just totally sanding it down. Oh, that's great. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. Look at that, you can see all that dust coming off of there. Well, my feet are disgusting, so it's gonna be a little while. But that's great, oh man. Okay, so that's really cool. That's gross, I know. But then I could use the other ones and do my toenails or something or whatever I want. Totally cool, thumbs up, I like it.